What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change or hide your real name on PayPal. So first you need to head over to the PayPal's account and then log in with your PayPal account. And after that on the right side, you can see the settings icon. Click on this. So if you have a business account on PayPal, here in the settings, you will see business information under the business section. So from there, you can click on edit and then you can edit and hide your real name on PayPal. But if you don't have a business account and you have a normal account on PayPal, you can just simply click on settings and then your profile will open. From here. You can click on change name and then you can just simply change your name on PayPal, and this is the only solution to hide your real name on PayPal. So as you can see from here, you can change your first name, middle name, and last name, and when you are done, click on continue, and then your new name will be saved. So this is how you can hide your real name on PayPal. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.